And when Adam was in a calm place, he could run the whole parameter of everything up under his auspices because of the calmness. When your head is clear, you can think, you can remember, you can evolve. I would attack you with busyness, because you would become so busy that you wouldn't have a calm place to operate from. And while you've been surviving, the days have turned to weeks, the weeks have turned to months, the months have turned to years, your hair is turning white, your back is getting stiff, your knee is going out, because you have been in a defense mode fighting so long that you haven't had a still place to be able to think from so that you could get out of your circumstance and your situation. Whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are pure, if there be any virtue, think on these things. Because when they walk in the room, they take control over your inside. He's robbing you of the days you got left, of the thoughts you got left, of the energy you've got left, of the next thought that you could think. You're one thought away from millions of dollars.